Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making spaghetti al pesto. The ingredients are basil, pine nuts, garlic, parmigiano and pecorino, and some olive oil. So we're starting off with peeling our garlic and giving it a rough chop. And we proceed to preparing our basil. We'll be stripping off the leaves from the stems, and the reason why we do this is because most of the flavor is in the leaves, so we can discard the stems. We'll measure out our olive oil. And we can start putting it all together. So we put the pine nuts and the garlic into the food processor, add in the basil leaves, the parmigiano, pecorino, and some salt. We start blitzing that together and also add some olive oil, and we keep blending that together. Add the remaining basil leaves and some more olive oil. You might need to help the basil leaves, push them down so that you can blend them better. Some more olive oil in there, and as you can see, the amount we measured out didn't feel enough, so we're adding in a little bit more. And we continue blending that together, and objective is to obtain a very smooth paste consistency. So we blend, check it again, and here it didn't feel like it was smooth enough, so we added in a little bit more olive oil. And now it's starting to look much better. That's the kind of consistency we were looking for. See, it's a very smooth paste-like consistency. So that looks pretty much done. Next we can proceed to boiling our pasta. In this case we're using linguine. So heavily salt the pasta water and drop in our linguine. And whilst that is cooking, we do some preparation work for the sauce. So in a pan that is still cold, we drop in the pesto, and again with the heat still off, we take some of the pasta water and drop it into the pan, and we start mixing those together to start forming the basis of the pesto sauce. Keep stirring until the pesto amalgamates with the pasta water. And at this point we can switch on the heat to a very low temperature. So then once the pasta is ready, we take it out of the pot and add it to the sauce in the pan. And we combine them together by mixing and then tossing. You can see that the sauce is still somewhat watery, but whilst tossing and turning, it will combine with the pasta water, and it will become more creamy. So yeah, tossing the pasta helps both the sauce and also creating a very dirty kitchen, but it's well worth it. And we're pretty much done. All's left is serving the pasta. With a generous sprinkle of parmigiano on top. And that's spaghetti al pesto. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.